In the next few minutes, you're about to see the latest cutting-edge video technology that will help you grow your business. It's no surprise by now that when it comes to grabbing attention, nothing beats video. And as you know, attention gets you visitors, leads, and sales fast. But let's face it, it requires a lot of the resources, skills, time, and high budget to create high-quality, captivating videos. You've likely used other video software that is either limited on features or has a steep learning curve and difficult to use along with being slow. Well, all of that changes today because Video Freedom is here, and now you can easily become a video powerhouse using Video Freedom without having any experience or technical skills. And in this short video, we're going to introduce you to our groundbreaking web app that is revolutionizing the video industry. Video Freedom takes the latest video technology and enables you to create stunning Hollywood-style animated videos with your text, images, and logo in mere minutes. You are going to finally be able to stand head and shoulders above everyone else by creating some of the most eye-catching, mesmerizing, breathtaking animations on the web in just a few clicks. This is the biggest opportunity to grow your business as unlike other software out there. We're not just limited to one type of video animation. We've gone above and beyond to bring you a complete done-for-you solution that allows you to create all types of incredible Hollywood-style animations at the push of a button. Yeah, pretty crazy, huh? If you go into any video animation marketplace, businesses are paying hundreds to thousands of dollars for these types of powerful cinematic animations. Don't make the same mistake that others are making. Not only does Video Freedom save you from spending thousands of dollars getting high-quality, stunning videos made, but it's an all-in-one solution that every marketer is craving for and needs it in their business. Hey, trust me, it's going to be super easy to use and can be accessed by any device and is 100% cloud-based. So there's nothing to download or install, and you don't have to know a thing about video creation, video production, as you only need the ability to click a mouse. We've got a huge library of premium templates that will mesmerize your visitors and clients, and it doesn't matter what niche or business you're in. Unlike other software, we don't limit you to one set of features or 10-second videos, as we give you a complete done-for-you solution without limiting any access at the click of a button. Honestly, it doesn't get any easier than this. You simply log in, pick up a template, customize it for yourself or your clients, and skyrocket your business. You don't need any special skills or experience to create amazing, captivating videos to wow all your viewers. Video Freedom is designed to eliminate your learning curve and is extremely user-friendly. If you can click a mouse, you can produce epic cinematic animated videos at will. Now you can forget all about using complicated software anymore, because Video Freedom just takes a few clicks and you're done. Video Freedom works for everyone, be it marketers, business owners, product vendors, or bloggers. Look, the bottom line is if you want to stay head and shoulders above everyone else in today's online marketplace, regardless of what niche you're in, then you need to leverage the power of video right now. Because according to Forbes, 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online after watching a video. Embedding videos in sales pages, landing pages, or anywhere else can increase conversions by up to 80%. With that being said, the possibilities are endless with this powerful web app. So be sure you read the page below once this video is over. You'll see all the amazing things Video Freedom can do. When you look at the market today and compare Video Freedom to others, it's safe to say that Video Freedom provides more in terms of templates, range, customizations, faster rendering, and lots of other aspects, putting Video Freedom ahead of any other software, especially at a low one-time price, which is only available for a limited period. Video Freedom provides a complete end-to-end solution for virtually anyone who needs videos in one easy-to-use platform. So be a part of the future that will allow you to create incredible, powerful, high-quality, stunning Hollywood-style animation videos in just minutes. However, the opportunity to get Video Freedom is very limited, and the low one-time price will not stay for very long. Yes, that's right. Just a small one-time fee and you'll have access to the best video animations on the web with over 100 premium templates that you can't get anywhere else. However, I've got to warn you though, when we close this offer, the price is going to double and you'll have to pay a higher monthly subscription. See, we're only going to let a handful of people in for a small one-time fee due to the significant infrastructure and bandwidth required to keep it performing optimally. So you need to take action on this special discounted offer now, as we'll be doubling and making this a monthly subscription. Don't forget there's a no-risk, no-questions-asked money-back guarantee for 14 days. Check out the rest of this page and make sure you take advantage of our discount while it's still available. See what it can do for you and your business starting today. And when you're done doing that, simply select your license below and click the Buy Now button to get instant access. See you inside the members area in just a few minutes.